How to get $190 Grubhub promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Grubhub promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Just scroll and check. 20% coupon code, $30 coupon code, $50 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you're interested in and want to use it. Just go ahead and click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Grubhub, make your order, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Visit Grubhub. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Grubhub. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. Using all these offers, you can get up to $190 Grubhub promo code. Likewise, check out this website, as these website will also provide you working promo codes for Grubhub. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.